12. So you travel to circuit all summer again?
I run the whole circuit for this track now. I want to play with it. Boys to run, so I get hard. But you do, don't you? Congratulations, Steve. We look forward to starting out.